Yo, Jesus lived a perfect life, died in your place, rose again, conquering sin and death. On that cross, God poured out all his anger, all his wrath onto Jesus for your sin, to take your sin. And if we repent and trust in Jesus, we will be saved. Was really depressed for a while, and God helped me with that. Pursuing my purpose and pursuing what God made me to do, it was something that really helped me with me being depressed as well. Just knowing there's hope in Jesus, that Jesus lived a perfect life, died in your place, rose again, conquering sin and death. And on that cross, God literally poured out all his anger onto Jesus for your sake, for your sin. Jesus died the death you deserve. Jesus died the death you deserve. You should have been on that cross. I should have been on that cross. But Jesus took our place. Jesus satisfied the wrath of God, satisfied his anger, and conquered sin and death on that cross by rising again. And so you don't have to spend eternity in hell. That's the truth.